Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Well guys, current week was really mixed for us because our long-term analysis and patterns that we have discussed in general work. So we could take a look at the Japanese yen that we have discussed in recent week. This market really continue to move up. Euro currencies continue to move down. What we are talking about in weekly research and in a long-term perspective, but still, unfortunately, we haven't got any short-term setups that we have discussed. So yesterday market on Australian dollar has turned to the upside and hasn't created that redrive pattern that we expected to get. It has formed the grabber, and in general, this upward acceleration puts under question that we will get the redrive buy at all. At the same time, market stands right now on Australian dollar so that it's not very attractive to trade it from the perspective of the risk-reward ratio. That's why Australian dollar is not our choice today. On the euro currency, there is some possibilities for trading. There are some possibilities for trading, but they haven't been formed yet. And in general, I think that the Japanese yen right now is more attractive. Since today we will get the Yellen speech in Wyoming on the Jackson Hole meeting, and the speech will be dedicated to the labor market, underutilization of the labor market in the United States. Also, the Mario Draghi will take the speech as well, and that really could add some clarity to the overall position of the FOMC and the European Central Bank on the current situation. Maybe we will hear something new from the Yellen. Anyway, currently market could stand really calm or even could turn to some profit taking. And from that perspective, we have the perfect setup on the Japanese yen. That's that could be really interesting, since it's very short term and probably will be worked out before Yellen will start the speech. And it's really looks very nice. So on the daily timer of the Japanese yen, we see the perfect ABCD pattern. So market has the target of this ABCD right at the monthly pivot resistance one. So approximately it's 103.50 area. These huge candles right to the 100% extension target of this ABCD pattern suggest that market with a high probability will continue to move higher and will continue to move up, but probably after some retracement will happen. Because today Friday, today is the eve of the Yellen speech, and guys, market stands at daily overbought, so it's not very comfortable to the market to continue move right now, and the chances of the showing some bounce down, it's minor bounce, right to this top, for example, looks very probable. And what is the trading on the market? This is in fact the question of the probabilities. When the probabilities suggest the possible retracement, that is our choice. When the probabilities suggest that the retracement has more chances, the probability is greater of the retracement than the upward continuation, we should follow the scenario that has greater probability, and that is what we could do today. So you can see complete ABCD pattern right at the monthly pivot resistance one and right at the daily overbought. So that's the subject for the retracement. If you'll take a look right now on the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see the completed, confirmed, perfect double repole sell pattern. So we have thrust up without no retracement at all, close above the 3x3, right? Close below the 3x3, right here, close above, and close below again. So if we'll check this closing, you can see. So this close was at 103.81 and 3, while displaced moving average stands at 103.81 sharp. So that was the close above the 3x3. That was the close below. Okay, so you can see 103 0.839 and displacement average stands at 841. So that was the close below the 3x3. Close above again, close below. That was the confirmation bar of the double ripple pattern. So we have the confirmed double ripple pattern because we have close below, close above, close below again. Very fast closing with 3 days, 3 periods with till the confirmation of the double ripple. Double ripple itself is the perfect since market hasn't reached the significant support by this bottom, and we see that tops looks very nice, and here was really attempt to continue move higher and failure. So I think that this double ripple has not bad chances to work, and the target of this pattern will stand right here, 103.10 approximately, the 50% support of the whole double ripple thrust. That's the short-term setups that's worth of our attention. On the other currencies, I do not see much what to trade. For example, on an Aussie dollar, you can see our 3 drive pattern that hasn't been formed, hasn't completed. This stop grabber, the target of this grabber stands right here, so this small really room till this target, while stop should be somewhere below this low, and that's very poor risk-reward ratio. On the euro currency, there is also some hints on possible Giordanopoly directional, but it's a bit more blur than on the Japanese yen. For example, on the daily chart you see nothing, just the support of the monthly pivot support one. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that thrust looks nice. This first penetration of the 3x3, but that most probably will be some sort of the bread and butter lookalike because there's too much closes above the 3x3 already. We do not have here neither double ripple, no bread and butter yet, so nothing definite. And from that standpoint, the picture on the Japanese yen looks more interesting and has better clarity and just purity than on the other currencies. So that's why I think that the Japanese yen today will be our choice. So let's see what will happen. But in general, guys, treat this only as the short-term trade, not marry the short position. That's just possible retracements of profit taking based on the huge rally that we have on the current week. That it was also suggested by our long-term analysis. As I recall that we expect the reaching of the 106.50 area potentially on the monthly chart. Don't forget about the monthly stop grabber that we have discussed on the previous month and still valid. We have here also, guys, on the daily chart huge butterfly. So recall this. We have this butterfly on the daily chart. We have the, as we said a couple of weeks ago, we have the significant bullish dynamic pressure on the weekly chart. So all these patterns suggest further upward action. But right now, since it's daily update, we are mostly will be focused on this possible retracement. So that's just a small part of the overall analysis, small episode in the overall action on the Japanese yen, and it's just a tactical issue that market probably could show some profit taking, reaching of this previous top. By the way, guys, that stands right at the area where stands the target of the double ripple, 103.10 approximately, this previous top. This retracement, retracing of the previous top and upward continuation is very probable. So let's see what will happen.